The best 360 cameras might be just what you're looking for if you're a content creator or love to record action videos. These panoramic cameras capture everything around you, making for incredibly immersive experiences. In today's video, we're going to check out the best 360 cameras in 2022. Number 5. Insta360 One RS. For those looking for a 360 camera with more of a traditional action camera design, the Insta360 One RS is your best bet. Like its predecessor, the Insta360 One R, this innovative camera has a modular design that lets you swap out its 360 lens for a wide-angle 4K camera or a camera with a 1-inch sensor. What's more, the camera has some other pretty cool features, including video stabilization and a comprehensive app that has a lot of powerful editing tools. Number 4. GoPro Max. Unlike most 360 cameras, the GoPro Max has a small display on its back that lets you view what its cameras are looking at. While it's not as handy as it seems, the large display does make it easy to navigate and change the Max's settings without having to use your smartphone. The GoPro Max also has a hyper-smooth stabilization feature, so your bumpy video will look nice and smooth, and image quality from the camera, up to a max resolution of 5.6K/30fps, lives up to GoPro's typical high standards. Plus, GoPro's app is loaded with features including the ability to live stream video from the Max. However, the GoPro Max's design requires the use of a selfie stick and lacks a tripod mount, so you have to use it with one of GoPro's accessories. At $499, it costs more than the Insta360 One X2, but the GoPro Max delivers. Number 3. Samsung Gear 360. Samsung was one of the first companies to make a truly useful 360 camera, and though it's been several years since it released anything new, its Gear 360 camera from 2017 still remains a fairly useful and functional device. The Gear 360 has a fun, lollipop-like shape that makes it easy to hold in one hand, and can even withstand a few splashes. It also has a tripod mount if you want to attach it to your bike or something else. The Gear 360 takes good photos and videos, up to 4K in size, and live streams to Facebook and YouTube too. However, there are a few big caveats. It only works fully with Samsung smartphones, from the Galaxy S6 and up. And while it works with the iPhone 7 and later, not all of the camera's features are supported. If you have a Samsung smartphone, though, the Gear 360 is a fun accessory. Number 2. Rylo 360. Small and compact, the Rylo 360's small GoPro-like profile makes it a great 360 camera for action sports, as its low profile is ideal for attaching to a helmet, bike, or any other action activity. However, if you're going to get it wet, you'll want to get the Adventure Case Opens a new tab, sold separately, as it lacks any sort of waterproofing. The case, which is increasingly hard to find, costs around $70 and only provides waterproofing for up to 10 feet. We like the footage we shot with the Rylo 360, and what makes it even better is its motion stabilization, which keeps the horizon level no matter how bumpy the ride. Before purchasing this camera, readers should note that Rylo has been acquired by VSCO. While Rylo will no longer make 360 cameras, the company will honor the warranty on existing cameras. Number 1. Ricoh Theta Z1. One of the issues with 360 cameras is that because of their relatively small sensor size, they're not that great when it comes to low-light photography and videos. If you need a 360 camera for that purpose and price is no object, then you should consider the Ricoh Theta Z1. This well-built device uses two 1-inch backside illuminated CMOS sensors, which helps deliver some of the best images we've seen from a 360 camera, especially under less than ideal conditions. Additionally, the Theta Z1 has dual microphones, which delivered great audio, and the camera's motion stabilization was pretty effective too. The Z1 uses an Android-based operating system, and Ricoh is letting third-party developers create plugins for the camera, increasing its functionality.